Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kristen and I'm doing my Simply Earth review. It has been a minute. So I'm going to be doing the June and the July box. The June box is a tiny bit late, but I think it's not sold out yet, so you can still purchase it if you choose to. These are recipe boxes from Simply Earth. They are 100% all natural essential oil, and I absolutely love these. I love these so much. I use essential oils all the time in my house and outside of my house. These are just incredible. So what it is, the recipe box, it looks like this. You get 4 full-size oils and then 6 recipes along with some like little accessories is what we're gonna call it, that you can make your recipes with. So for the June box, it has a new essential oil called Timber. So this one came out and I think it smells like a nice smelling man. Exactly, it is a nice smelling man. That's what it smells like. So they have 4 essential oils. This one has cardamom, this one has bumps and boo-boos, lavender, and timber. So this, like I said, this is what it looks like. These are $39 a month, and then the first time you purchase the Simply Earth recipe box, you get a free big box. So what the big box is that it has everything that you would need to start up the recipe box. So it comes with like fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, roller balls, all kinds of really fun stuff. I'll link a video down below so you guys can check that out, or you guys can just check the website. Also shows you what the big box is. Also, I have a coupon code where you get a free $40 gift card with your first time purchase. So it's a really great deal because essential oils can be really expensive, especially if you're getting the 100% all natural ones. Also, they give back to human trafficking. So every purchase that is made, 13% goes back into fighting and stopping human trafficking, which is amazing. So that is another reason why I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna jump in. Okay, so this is the June box. So you get 6 recipes, like I said. This is sleek and smooth shaving butter, no stress blend in a solar infused oil, digest, help roll on, skin healing gel, and burn cells. And I always make at least 1 to 2 of these. They're really easy. That's why I love that. And then you also get aloe vera and dried calendula flowers. Probably said that wrong, but yeah. So anyways, get this. You get a little bottle of, or a little thing of aloe. And then I think this is probably to make the burn cell, I bet. I'm really excited about this one just because it is a new oil. And the bumps and boo-boos, it is child safe on the back. I don't know if I can get this to, on the backs of them all, it always has if they are child safe or not. Which I have a 4-year-old, so some of these I cannot diffuse around her or use on her. So it is also kind of nice knowing that. Okay, this one smells good. This has lavender, tea tree, and lemon essential oil in it, along with one other thing. Bumps and boo-boos is definitely gonna come in handy right now. Also, the July box. Oh wow, this looks super fun. Oh my gosh, making shampoo. I have not opened this one yet, so I'm super excited about this one. So the essential, like I said, you always get your essential oils and then all your little things you'll need to make. Comes with, oh man, palmarosa, spearmint, rosemary, and fix. And I don't have a lot of these oils, so I'm actually really excited about it. Also, you get a shampoo base, a conditioner base, and it looks like a little squirt bottle. And then these are the shampoo and conditioners. Oh my gosh, I am like seriously thrilled. Like I'll have to wash my hair in like, man, I don't know, 4 days. So I'll be trying this out for sure. So you get a recipe for nails without fail, DIY dry shampoo, fit roll on, salon day diffuser blend, nice. Strength and length conditioner, strong and long shampoo. That is so, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I've never got to make shampoo, so this is like, I'm probably gonna make this one first. And also they come with stickers, so if you guys make the roller balls or anything like that, you get stickers so you can label all your stuff. All right, so that's it. If you guys want to check Simply Earth out, links in the description box below. Let's make some DIYs. I love starting with a good diffuser blend. This is the Salon Day diffuser blend. You need fit, rosemary, and spearmint. And like I said, the recipes will tell you how many drops of each you need. Normally it's between like 1 and 2 of each a drop. It's not a lot. And I also got my diffuser from Walmart if you guys want to check that out. I can't remember how much it was. I don't know if I can link it, but that is where I got my diffuser from, and I absolutely love it that. So I ended up hopping into the July box because it was really appealing to me because it came with a conditioner base and a shampoo base. All you need to do is just add rosemary and spearmint into these bottles and shake them up for 30 seconds. And I am so excited to try these. If you guys want to know how they turn out or how it feels on my hair, let me know in the comments below, and I will update you probably on Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys do that because I always just update and post pictures and videos and all kinds of stuff over there. And that was it for this one. June box, I went into the skin healing gel. So this is like for bumps and scabs and sunburn and all of that. You'll need the aloe vera. This coconut oil came with the big bonus box and the bumps and boo-boos. And you definitely want to mix this up really well with the aloe vera and the coconut oil because you are using, I think this was 20 drops. I could be wrong, like I said, the recipe card will be right there for you. But you are definitely going to want to mix this really, really well because you are using so much of the essential oil that you definitely want to mix it super, super good. But yeah, you guys, that was it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you are already subscribed or subscribed to Simply Earth. And let me know what has been your favorite box. And yeah, so that's it. If you want to check them out, link in the description box below. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!